One is, does the person generate enough force into the ground rapidly enough? So this is the rapidly I'll talk about in a second. A is, can they just generate force down into the ground in order to get out of the chair? Right. And we're talking about aging populations. And I don't mean like 50s and 60-year-olds. Like now we're talking about octogenarians, right? People in their 80s and even older. So one is, can they generate enough force into the ground just to accelerate their center of mass upward and forward? But the second part of that equation is equilibrium control, right? It's balance. So their center of mass starts to move. And at some point, it's going to get over their feet. Right? So they're accelerating by pushing down into the ground. The center of mass is going to get over their feet. And it's going to be a relatively short distance for that to start to go over the edge of the foot, over the base of support, at which point they become very unstable. So the faster their center of mass moves, the more quickly it's moving across the base of support, the less stable they become. So when you look at something like a sit to stand, it's, can they generate the force? But when they generate the force, can they control the movement of the center of mass so that they can maintain stability as they then get up and start walking? If they can't, then they're going to fall over. So that's really where this comes down to. It is a motor control thing. So it's force generation, maintaining stability and equilibrium. And that's what you're looking at with a sit to stand kind of function.